Mm-hmm.
All right, got your powder flask, got your measuring tube. We're putting 100 grain of powder in it. You literally turn it up, you squeeze that till the powder runs in it. I don't know if you can see it going in, but it is. Now it's full. Pour out anything that's left in your flask right there. And when you close the cap, it'll push off any existing powder right there. So you take your powder, and make sure that your hammer's up. Take your bullet, get it started there. I got a T-bar that I use to get them started. Then you take your ramrod, and don't go on the end because a lot of times you could break them like that. So if you'll start about 8 inches up and just start pushing the bullet down. A lot of people sit there and bang them. I don't believe in doing that. I just pack it firm. Pull the rod out. Put it back in place. Put a percussion cap. CCI percussion cap. I got some open here. You'll put these in your pocket this morning. You'll just open it up, slide the percussion cap on, and then you can, just like your regular rifle, you can lower the hammer back down on it and just sit there when you're ready. So when you're ready to shoot, pull the hammer back, squeeze the trigger. That's all there is to it.